Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and post notification onto this video. Let's get to the video. So today, we're gonna do, showing you my fidget collection. Let's get to it. So let's go to my poppets first. So we have this like milk shape poppet, and then second we have this jumbo Starburst ice, do you know Starburst ice cream poppet. We have this yellow circle poppet. We got, this is one of my newest fidgets. We have this like army colors, like jet, navy jet poppet. It's a mini poppet. We have this rainbow crab poppet. We have this purple Among Us poppet. We have this, probably one of my favorites poppets. We have this like tie-dye pink, white, blue square poppet. And lastly, we have an actually dimple I keep in my poppet drawer. We have this rainbow flower dimple. That's all we have for drawer number 2. This is one of my favorite drawers, actually. It's just like Orby squishies, like this Orby squishies with it's like these Orby squishies and like mesh PB&Js, all of that type of stuff. So we have this actually shaggy squishy I keep in here. I don't have a shaggy. This is one of my shaggy fidget. We have this. Oh, I also keep emojis in here. So we have this snail emoji. We had this white teddy bear, like a Hello Kitty emoji. We have this this yellow Hello Kitty emoji. We had this hedgehog emoji. We had this dolphin emoji. I'm missing one of my mini PB&Js. So yeah. We have this grapes DNA ball. We have this pepper squishy. I don't know, do you think this should be in the slow rising foam drawer or the Orbeez drawer? I don't know, actually. We have, a star emoji. And we have a hippopotamus emoji. We have this Groot. We have this jumbo fruit orange emoji. And I went to Five Below actually, and I got some new fidgets. That's where the camel poppet from. We got this Orbeez and mesh emoji. I love this. It's really satisfying. We had this corn emoji. It's one of my favorites actually. We had this green bell pepper emoji. We have this tomato emoji. We have this beets emoji. I have this eggplant emoji. And lastly, we have this mini yellow monster, one-eye PB&J. And that's all my squishies, order bees, stretch balls, DNA, and also emojis. Let's go to drawer number 3. So this is all my slow rising and foam squishies. Let's go to this tore up acorn squishy, slow rising. We have this football. I don't know if it's supposed to be a fidget, but I just love the sound of it. We have this foam football. We have this Christmas, almost Christmas here. It's almost Thanksgiving actually. Snowman. I don't know if this fidget, I just count it as it's like a fidget. We have this slow rising snowman. 2, another one, 2 snowman. And also we have this car, foam squishy. I actually got these 2 from Black Friday. Okay, now we're gonna go to putties. I only have 3. 2. We have 2 putties. We have this. We have this crazy orange crystal clear thinking putty, liquid glass. I'll take it out for you guys. Smells terrible, but really nice. Then we have this amazing putty, glow in the dark putty. I'll take it out for you guys too. Hey, this is really hard to open. Whoa, it's really hard. Yeah. I got it. Take it out. So it's like this really hard. I rather don't get this. I don't remember where I got it from. I think I got it 2 years ago. It's like this really hard glue in the door. It doesn't. It's really hard though. Not fun at all. It's a little fun. Okay, now let's go to ramen noodles and monkey noodle. No, sorry, I got 1 single pop tube in here. Okay, so let's go to original. So we have this original orange or radish monkey noodle, this original yellow monkey noodle, original blue monkey noodle, original pink monkey noodle, original orange radish monkey noodle, original pink monkey noodle again. I actually have a mini one somewhere. Where is it at? Oh yeah, it's in here. This mini green monkey noodle. Okay, we have these spiky monkey noodles. We have this red one, and this green one. Okay, we have this like swirly slime monkey noodles. We have this orange swirly one. Actually, all of these came in one single pack. So we had these orange swirly, this pink swirly, and this blue swirly. We have ramen. We have 5 ramen colors. We have this orange ramen, pink ramen, green ramen, blue ramen, and yellow ramen. And also we have this yellow mini pot tube. Okay, let's go to our last and final. We have like 5 more, like 3 more mini drawers and 1 big drawer, and these buckets I have. Well, 1 bucket, because another one of these buckets filled with bracelet beads, and others at the end of the video. Okay, we have this puzzle ball, green neon puzzle ball. Have this DIY balloon and marbles in it. I made it my very own. We have this popped globble. I can still use this. We have this plain old black white fidget spinner, and I took the rings, the bearings out before. Boring. We have this. Actually, I have no clue. It's like a DNA ball slash something. You have to match all the colors. And I always have it. You haven't. When you mix it up, you probably solve it. And next we have this baseball fidget spinner. I actually bounce a little. Get to our last big drawer. And we have mini drawers. Let's go to the top. We only have our only lonely fidget pad. Then we have this 3 marble meshes. I took one of the marbles out, so we only have 2. Green and blue one. My 2 favorite colors, actually. And lastly, we have ink pressure 1P popper connected ink pressure ring. I don't know how that happened. I don't like ink pressure rings or P poppers. And ink pressure, a golden one. That's all we have of our drawers. Now let's go to our single bucket. Our single bucket is Play-Dohs. I'm not gonna go every color. This is probably my least favorite Play-Doh. It's this foam and this foam balls inside of it. It always make a mess. Play-Doh. We have our Christmas or snowman Play-Doh. We have some mini Play-Dohs, some regular size Play-Dohs, and some other mini Play-Dohs. That's all we have, guys. So here's all my fidgets. This my final one. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Bye.